This sound was never meant for human ears.
Because a black hole can actually sing.
No mouth, no air, yet it produces sound.
These sound waves travel through hot gas, vibrating the universe itself.
The sound is real, but it's 57 octaves below what humans can hear. If we could hear it, it would sound like an endless, terrifying hum.
A song that has been playing for millions of years.
You are hearing the sound of the universe breathing.
Follow for more sounds the universe doesn't want you to hear.